Welcome back, everybody. You're tuned into the official YouTube channel for the CoinCasso Cryptocurrency Exchange, the official crypto partner of Paris Saint-Germain, one of the world's greatest football clubs. In today's video, investors are buying up Bitcoin as it drops to the 10K level. Next up, Ethereum developers are weighing a new gas rule to ease the fee pressure. And last up, Bitcoin charts hit a double bottom, which is a good signifier that the market might be going the opposite direction. We also do a brief technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We also go over the top cryptocurrency prices as well as the top performers in the last 24 hours. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, September 8th. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. Literally, yesterday's video exploded, and I appreciate every single one of the comments. And if you're new here and you like what you see in this video, consider subscribing down below and tick the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new one. All right, let's get started with these prices. Bitcoin currently sitting at $10,314. Up 0.8% from yesterday. Ethereum down 0.25% at $348. XRP up 0.89% at $24.10. And Chainlink down 0.18% at $12.54. This might sound like zero movement to you, but zero movement after a huge drop like that is a very good sign because it's showing consistency in the prices. Now let's jump into CoinMarketCap and take a look at some of the top performers in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, usually when I pull this chart up, we see 100%, 60%, 70%, but over the last 24 hours, there hasn't been that big of gains, even in the altcoin market. IOST up 29.37%, Dash up 10%, Neo 9%, Zcash 9%, Tron 6%. Very, very respectable low numbers. And looking at the reverse, the worst performers of the top 100 coins, Yearn Finance down 8%, Serum down 6%. These are all very, very low numbers, which I really wanted to see because it's showing a nice, consistent, flat level out of this dip, and during this time, market confidence will begin to return. All right, now let's jump into TradingView and take a quick look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see here, Bitcoin had this huge dump, taking it down from $12,000 all the way down below $10,000. Now, this is what you really want to be looking for when expecting the market to go the opposite direction. We've seen nice, consistent price hits of this $10,000 range, and if you guys remember me talking about trend reversals, on an M formation, the thing usually starts to go down, and on a W formation on the second leg, things tend to go up. I'm starting to see a really nice W right here. Now I've marked up just a few levels for you guys. As you can see, the price resistance on these peaks, on these highs, on these lows. So this is the staircase that we have to climb to get back where we were. We're now playing in this first level around 10,000. The next step is 10,600. Above that, 10,800, and above that, 11,300. That's just looking at the short term. We also have another resistance line at 11,000. So as far as things go for the future of Bitcoin, it's looking like it hit its bottom. But like I said in yesterday's video, we're looking at about a month of consolidation before it starts to rise again. Market confidence has to return in order for people to start buying again. There are two schools of thought on this. When everybody's talking about the price of Bitcoin being high and rallying and everything is good, when Uncle Joe and Aunt Sandy are talking about Bitcoin, that's usually a good indicator that it might be time to sell. When everybody's talking about the price going down and crashing, everybody's pessimistic, that's when few people see the opportunity of, hey, this is actually down and on sale. I might get in now. Those are the buyers that get us to the next level, which incentivize everyone else to start buying in, causing the price to go up. Now, taking a quick look at Ethereum, we are also seeing a double bottom formation here. A nice, beautiful W, and usually on the second leg, we start to trend up. Sometimes there is a third slump down and even a fourth, but you're always looking to go on the leg up. As far as what I'm seeing, we have hit the bottom of this cryptocurrency dump. So depending on if you're already holding long term, this should be a good signal for you. And if you're looking to get into cryptocurrencies for the first time, this might be a good indication of a time to get in. And obviously we are a cryptocurrency exchange. So if you're looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, check out CoinCasso in the link in the description below. Self-promotion. All right, now let's jump into the news. The reason why I cover news in most of my videos is because news sells. The only way people find out about things going on in cryptocurrency is news news articles and publications. When Ethereum announced they were doing their 2.0 testnet, that article started to run rampant, and since that point, Ethereum went from $240 all the way up to $500. This is why it's so important to follow the news as well as your own technical analysis, because you can put the two together and have a better understanding on where the price might go in the future. This first article is titled "Investors Buying Bitcoin Amid Price Slump to Near 10K." Data shows. Despite significant losses for Bitcoin since mid-August, the buy the dip mentality in the crypto markets is still strong. While the cryptocurrency has declined from $12,400 to $10,000 in the past 3 weeks, the number of accumulation addresses has increased 2% to 513,000. Lots of new daily buyers are coming in to absorb supply. Bitcoin fell by over 10% on Thursday, confirming a head and shoulders breakdown, a bearish reversal pattern, and a violation of the 6-month long-term bull market trend line. Usually such patterns invite more substantial chart-driven selling, yielding deeper price declines. So far, Bitcoin has managed to defend the $10,000 support, possibly a sign of an underlying bullish tone in the market. I'm telling you, that $10,000 level has now become a very, very good support. People used to be scared of it, and now it's a good time to get in. Next up in the news, Ethereum developers weigh gas rule change to ease fee pressure. An Ethereum smart contract feature that offers rebates for fees has developers scratching their heads, wondering if they should toss the old code in light of an exponential rise in transaction costs. Called gas tokens, these smart contract loopholes are a way to send transactions on the cheap by tokenizing gas, the fee paid for running computations on chain. The feature allows an Ethereum user to buy up transaction fees when they are low, store them, and then spend them when the fee price inevitably rises again. While the matter is still under discussion, some developers worry tokenizing gas could one day act as a price floor for transaction fees and keep them permanently high. As the gas fees hit record highs twice in the same week, one of the developers that proposed to get rid of the gas tokens is getting a renewed attention. Basically, what this article is saying is that Ethereum and things built on the Ethereum network, the blockchain, these smart contracts that are put on this blockchain, all the transactions made through these smart contracts, the fees are paid in a token called gas. Gas prices lately, as Ethereum price has been rising, have been astronomical, increasing the cost for everybody using these smart contracts. This is the main reason people have been saying that Ethereum was going to dump down, because the gas fees are so expensive. The cool thing about Ethereum versus Bitcoin is they're an actual company with developers working on the best possible solutions to make the best possible product. So now nothing's set in stone, but they are discussing how to ease the gas fees and make the platform more sustainable over time. In this article, they also discuss the threats of doing so by not making permanently high fees or permanently low fees. Definitely going to be following this story to see where it goes in the future, but it is good news for Ethereum. And I just want to cover this article briefly because I mostly covered it in my technical analysis. Bitcoin price charts hit a double bottom relief rally to 10,800. The psychological barrier at 10,000 is currently acting as a support, indicating that the short-term relief bounce could be on the horizon. A clear breakdown of the 11,200 area triggered a massive sell-off across the markets. This drop led towards the primary support level of the CME gap, where 10,000 is a significant support level, as well as 9,600. And a correction to my previous video, I thought I was correct on the CME futures gap, but unfortunately it's still not hit and sitting between 9,650 and 9,950. This graph right here shows a potential scenario for the Bitcoin price, showing this W formation popping up to the $12,600 level and then coming back down to test 10,000. That's what the prices do, guys. They drop dramatically and they rocket up dramatically, but they also test numerous times on big support and resistance levels. This is where people start to panic in cryptocurrencies. Is the price going up? Is it going down? This is all fluctuations in the market, and you need to understand that cryptocurrencies is still a brand new technology, only started a decade ago. Cryptocurrencies are still going through the growing pains of mass adoption. Right now, the traders are in control and moving the prices as they see fit to become the most profitable. All right, and you guys know what time it is. Let's choose the fan of the day and the winner of 10 USDT for yesterday's video. Scrolling through the comments here, let's see what sticks out. And the winner of fan of the day for yesterday's video is Nick Hill G. His comment was, "Great video, the only channel I trust in in the world of crypto. And he followed the rules of the competition, signing up for CoinCasso and putting his ID number in the comment. He says, CoinCasso has been the most hassle-free website to start trading in my experience, up and running in just minutes. Thank you so much. We're always striving to make the best product for you guys, as well as future development. Currently, we're working on making the platform even more simple for everybody that's new in crypto. So big news coming in the near future. But congratulations, Nick Hill G. You are officially the fan of the day. You will be the pinned comment on that video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you guys are new here and you want to be entered in tomorrow's Fan of the Day competition, just comment anything down below on this video, including signing up to CoinCasso and putting your ID number in that comment. If you guys got some value out of this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on your way out, and we will see you back here tomorrow.